Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of the LeetCode problem 2108 named Find First Palindromic String in Array. In this problem, we are given an array of strings and we have to return the first palindromic strings that appears in the array. Suppose in the first example, the array contains 5 elements, which is ABC, car, ADA, race car, and cool. So here we can see that the third string ADA is palindromic. So in this case, we have to return ADA. Now, in the second examples, the words are not a palindrome and race car. So here, the first string, which is a palindrome, is race car. So here we have to return race car. But in the third example, DEF and GHI, none of them are palindrome. So in this case, we have to return empty strings. I hope you understood the problem. Now the constraint are the word length can be in between 1 to 100. And each of the word in a string can be in between 1 to 100. I hope you understood the problem statement as well as the constraint. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now, for the sake of simplicity, we have taken the second examples. So here, in this problem, we are given two inputs, which is not a palindrome and race car, and we have to determine whether any of the string is a palindrome or not. Suppose here we can see that the word race car is a palindrome because if I write the word into the forward direction or into the backward direction, the word will be race car. So we can say that here race car is a palindrome. So in this problem, we have to return race car. So how can we solve this problem? The algorithm is pretty simple. At first, we have to iterate from the list of strings from left to right and take consideration in each of the corresponding words. Now, suppose our current word is race car. So it is one state. Now, if I reverse the word race car, the word will become also same, which is race car. Now, we have to check whether the original word and the reversed word are equal or not. If in any of the cases, our original word is equal to the reversed word, that means we have found the first palindromic substring. So here we have to return those corresponding elements. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named first palindrome, which has a parameter which is vector of strings. Now, for each of the word in the strings, we have to reverse it and compare to the original word. If they are equal, that means we have to return the original word. Otherwise, we have to return the empty string. I hope you understood the code. Now let's move on to the time and space complexity analysis of this program. In this program, the time complexity is big O of n because we have to iterate each of the word in the strings, and the space complexity is big O of 1 because we are using only constant extra spaces to solve this problem. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.